Hey guys, it's Brandon from Allen's Camera in Levittown, PA, and I'm excited to invite you out to our annual customer appreciation event. This year it's happening on May 18th here at the store from 10 to 4. We're gonna have a lot of good stuff going on, including all the major vendors here demoing the latest gear. Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fuji, OM Systems, Sigma, Tamron, Westcott will be here. We're gonna have a shooting station set up in the parking lot so you can bring your gear, test their lighting gear and all the stuff that the vendors are demoing. Benro will be here, Nanlite will be here. We're gonna have a taco truck out in the parking lot as well so you can have some refreshments. We're doing a cash for cameras event. So bring your used gear, sell it for cash, or trade it in and get a 10% bonus toward the purchase of any of the new gear that day during the event. For those of you that are purchasing new gear, it's gonna be the best pricing that you'll find all year. We're gonna have special in-store savings just that day. There will be a trade-in, trade-up event happening with Sony. You're gonna get tax back on all of your Canon, Nikon, and Sony purchases in the form of an Allen's Camera gift card. And we're going to have free sensor cleaning on a first come, first served basis. So there's a lot of good stuff, giveaways, tons of other photographers to come hang out and talk with. We hope to see you at the event. If you have any questions, call us 215-547-2841 or stop into the store. We look forward to seeing you on the 18th.